Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in southern Africa, bordered by South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, and Mozambique. It is a land of diverse landscapes, from the Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, to the Hwange National Park, home to the world's largest population of elephants. The economy of Zimbabwe is a lower middle-income economy with a GDP per capita of $1,350, PPP. The economy is dominated by agriculture, mining, and services. The main industries in Zimbabwe are: agriculture is the largest sector of the Zimbabwean economy, employing about 60% of the workforce and accounting for about 20% of GDP. The main crops grown in Zimbabwe include maize, tobacco, cotton, and wheat. Zimbabwe is rich in mineral resources, including platinum, gold, chrome, and diamonds. Mining accounts for about 10% of GDP and is a major source of foreign currency earnings. Tourism is a growing sector of the Zimbabwean economy, with the main attractions including Victoria Falls, Hwange National Park, and Monopools National Park. Tourism accounts for about 5% of GDP. The main imports of Zimbabwe are machinery and equipment, food and beverages, fuel and lubricants, chemicals and textiles. Exports are platinum, gold, tobacco, cotton, and ferrochrome. Zimbabwe faces a number of economic problems, including high inflation. Inflation has been a chronic problem in Zimbabwe for many years. In 2022, the inflation rate was estimated to be over 100%. High unemployment. The unemployment rate in Zimbabwe is estimated to be over 90%. Low economic growth. Economic growth has been sluggish in recent years, averaging about 3% per year. These problems have had a deep impact on the Zimbabwean economy. High inflation has made it difficult for businesses to operate and has eroded the purchasing power of households. High unemployment has led to widespread poverty and inequality. Low economic growth has made it difficult to create jobs and improve living standards. The Zimbabwean dollar has also been hyperinflated in recent years. This has made it difficult to use as a currency and has led to widespread dollarization. Here is a table of some key economic data for Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean government is taking steps to address the country's economic problems. These steps include implementing reforms to improve the business environment, investing in infrastructure and education, promoting tourism and other export-oriented sectors. However, these reforms will take time to have an impact. In the meantime, the Zimbabwean economy is likely to remain vulnerable to shocks, such as drought and global economic downturns.